Today I'm gonna teach you how I do a clean or invisible fasten off. Okay, but first I'm gonna show you how we normally fasten off before. So once we're done with a row, we just cut our yarns, okay, and then pull the thread, and then we just fasten off right away. Or sometimes we do a chain one first before we fasten off, okay? But the problem with this is once you're done fastening off, so let's just do this, okay? So we just pull the thread and then just weave it behind our work. So what we're gonna see here is this, okay? It's not clean. You can really see where we fastened off our end, okay? So now I'm gonna teach you how I do a clean or invisible fasten off. By the way, guys, this is how I do it, okay? I'm not sure how others do it, but this is how I do it when I'm doing a slip stitch chain one round. So this is the loop after our last chain. Then we're gonna overlap it with this first chain of that row, okay? And then skip this one, and then we're gonna insert our needle here. So remember that the loop after our last chain will overlap on our first chain. We're gonna insert our needle at the back loop of the top chain and also at the back loop of this chain underneath it. Okay, so that would be just one chain. So if you can see here, we have clean chains on top. See? So you're not gonna see that uneven chain like we did before. Okay, so again, this is how you do a clean fasten off when you're doing a slip stitch chain one round. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do it if you're gonna work in the round. So now I'm gonna show you how you do it when you're working in the round. So this is the loop after our last chain, and we're gonna overlap it on your first chain, on the chain below it. Okay, so it's just the same chain basically. So skip this one and then insert your needle here, and then like what we did with the previous one, we're gonna insert it at the back loop of the top chain and the bottom chain, and then you can finally do a knot or weave in the ends. So if you can see here, we have a clean chain on top. So it's just uneven here on the side because we're working in the round, so it's kind of spiral. And by the way, guys, you would know that you did the right thing when you count your chains. You should have the same number of chains that you're expected to end up with. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped, and see you on the next video.